a year NDC for filing fees
5 billion.
5 billion only 30,000. Matisse Greater Accra region regional chairman no chairman no so makamu hobum no more makoto mama 500,000 no amano
Ombe file amano
ombe tuaka ama
some forms near 5,000 50,000
5 forms near 30,000
forms is 30,000
now filing fee na 500,000
5 billion
nya san ye ya manyoku 5 billion nya san ye ya manyoku scan ngasa na form na se mo se amamu nye enema ye den ye nyina anya mo komka na ka ye nyina ye ka bi na mo nya sika sabre komode omo constituency fo ne food soldiers omo ntimi amfo mo sika anya hwe se omo bekeka sika na bom chairman no akwa akotua ma John Dramani Mahama so onkofa on file ne filing fee na me di omo ho yaw pa na se no na we mu na ebeto aba no na se sabre mutimi huri kotan ni ba akofo achi abramunim se ade na ekoso no ye contest komna Duffuor baby wabo waka ama yahu se wo baby ya me wogidie woni mu se oye formidable candidate ya obema Mahama a run for his money mo se mo koto mo beto form na mana hwe omopo mu mpio Duffuor abobra sika na obetimi atua 500,000 obetimi atua obetumi tua bia ma obi no mokra ka ho
one day
form na obe pick obe contest
sir
na obe spring surprise so e wo mo contest mu
obe pick forms
obe pick me come cash obe pick
Kwabene
Duffuor obe pick form no omo miemie mu se de ya ebe discourage ebi no
5 billion
5 billion
ye miemu ma Kwabene
omo hu ba omo anya ba bi afamfa Dr. Duffuor obe pick form no obe contest bi
okay
obe kire wo mo se ogina brane wo NDC amanyoku num na saa niema na regional chairman no yes system na omo pese omo sisi omo bo Duffuor hu say omo a declaration of support for a candidate
okay
yeah mo anso na mo kokoto aba no na mo exhibit conduct we ya eboa ma party ni mpuntu ekoso
omo nko ma dwumbom na omo nyama ne nyefe
e very bad
but ade ba ko sign medwu ho amenti and say chairman for even party mpanyifo nkra hiam omo ko papa yo
exactly
they go to him for financial support
mo nkro chairman yi mo ko papa yi ho na kokoji pepeska
na ya na medwu ho amenti ase papa ya so na mam support
ono na eboa mo
ono na ma financial support ma bibia papa na ma full support
na
from constituency region to national or ma support or support
oh yebi na ene na se da no say chairman mo nya sika na say na mo de musika na ye
omunyama ne nyefe na omunya de omo ye
enti omo hunu ye ena omo announce sa package we e wrong and that ye go so she omo bo menim say Duffuor beba obe contest bi enti omo nya de omo ye no
that's right.
First of all, Eric Eje oni bond bia minimum no on investment bia or bond bia obo it will say bond holder say be obo onyanwi
odo nka
obo mo brero ka
yes on ka
obo ja de Eje obo na minia bema we say me start here no I me call on a very, very calm note.
Oh no, they be asana okay.
Because me feel say sometimes we get to a point I say politics no. They back from kaka.
Okay.
Now baby Edri, how do we take Ghana forward? That's what is important. Now reference to Dr. Baumia, Kakra, Dr. Baumia, he came to the political scene just 16 years ago. Within 16 years, he occupies about 70 to 80% of our political discussion, whether negative or positive. You can't do without him. Mr. Dr. Baumia, about politics, just 2007. Within 16 years, he has occupied the political discussion almost 80%. There's a reason for that. So, Opa Bolidin said the Ope Bia, he's still Dr. Baumia. There's nothing you can do about it. And that is why NDC communicators, anytime you make a say beer, you have to mention Dr. Baumia.
Okay.
We need arrogance of power. It means radio, so it means free radio, so AUBD in this country. He's talking about arrogance of power. Yet we do light to stadium, light of all. Obit me free radio, so say you ready. And you are talking about arrogance of power. Arrogance of power. Let's say, until I say, no, can say, oh my, Koloboko. Say the bear, young call into all these areas. Because when it comes to arrogance of power, the NDC, they shouldn't start that discussion. And I keep saying, anytime about the NDC, the biggest problem is that they've been in government before. Papa Bemuda, Okasa for almost 10 minutes. Not a single solution. Not a single one solution. All they do is to tell you what the problem is and who to blame for it. No solution. No solution. Also, the debts or more 50 something, 120.
56%.
Me pacho busan say calculation ben the man you could do 120 no. Busan say the 50 something na cocoa board debt kan wana. Only debt no can. Na state owned agencies debt near the kan wana. I'm a finance committee member. I am a for I don't say because of the situation they want to add all state-owned debts. That's why we are at 120. The accounting for the debt has changed. But at the time, not GMPC loan, 50 now. So let's take our time and deal with the issue as it is. There's a problem. Maybe I'm a member of the government.
Yeah.
I've admitted, say the process is the consultation is enough. And not say majority leader can once chief whip can once yes. A buyer and call for one to be criticizing on that is the government. The young cries hey. Or see expenditure who here. Chrome expenditure who here and it's Minia. Don't let us go there. Bass cry brandy, bass cry brandy, bass. Didn't we pay 50 million to one person for no work done? So what are we talking about the expenditure? As some number, let's deal with the issue. And Dr. Baumia, I'm saying, say, take it or leave it. He's occupying your space. You can continue to do whatever you want to do. But he's still Dr. Baumia. So meaning I agree with the extended consultation. Me bumpire say yebekoso edin komo. So that we come to an amicable ground.
Okay.
So we can rally the Ghanaian people along. But this issue about Dr. Baumia and the arrogance of power there, the NDC, they don't have that ground.
Okay. Kenofrata should not cause our downfall because we have a crucial election to win. Walanyo Edwefree Akwetaro de Ebai. Honorable, quick one. Let me say a bit more question. We say now, every time now buying a dear towards say, obey me, I'm saying 15% coupon. Dear lecturer say enro na Ghana wo sika ye betim de afofele that promise.
Well, that would be a difficult question for me to answer. But the anticipation is that say abanya this fiscal space.
Okay.
You have to put in measures a bit the economy no grow to an extent say government benya the kind of capacity to pay at that time. That's the anticipation. When IMF we are hoping say e be my respite kakra. Now the system in the economy, the confidence will come back, industries will continue to grow, so that the economy, GDP in the so that they are buying more taxes to fulfill that kind of obligation at that time. But as I sit here, I cannot easily predict, but I anticipate to say, based on measures are buying the better one, by that time we should be able to.
Maybe out any information available to you. Do you think say as of mine? I
think say we a leader. When there's an issue or there's a problem, you should be able to accept that there's a problem. Of course, there are some external factors that Ubia cannot run away from it. All over the world, even the IMF is predicting, say, even this year will be more difficult. And so there are some external factors, and to me, it has affected where we are now. But there are some